Hi guys, we have an iPhone X here with a broken back glass and a terrible broken screen. This phone still works at the time the customer brought it to my tech shop. Here is our new screen to replace the broken screen. Flipping the phone over, we have a terrible cracked back glass. So here is our new back glass to replace the broken one. So let's get started. And this is a very fragile process, so we need to be very careful not to damage the wireless charging compartment at the back of the glass. And this is becoming is getting too tough at the moment, so I need to apply some force to it. It has been so many battles trying to remove this back glass. Well, we finally did it. So after a little while of struggle, we finally removed the broken back glass. Now we'll start by removing the excess glue at the back, so the new back glass replacement can fit in smoothly.
Fidelity Tech is good.